Hi guys, so ngayon magluluto na naman tayo guys for our dinner. So this is one of the Cypriot food guys. So I have here in the casserole with a little bit of olive oil. I have chicken thighs that I already washed and sliced kulukasi, or sa Filipino guys we call this gabi, but here in Northern Cyprus we call this one kulukasi. Sliced onion, 1 chicken cube, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce or tomato paste that I mix with water and boiled water guys. So simple lang siyang luto guys, very simple. Kaya aman guys, kasi yung manok guys may tubig siya, kaya tumalsik yung mantika. Aman guys, kasi hinugasan ko yung chicken. So this one guys is very simple guys ha, naluto. Kasi ang mga Cypriot guys, mahilig sila sa may salsa or fresh tomato. Ilagay sa food nila. Pero masarap din to guys. So yan lang guys, simple na simple. So inuuna ko yung chicken paglunod. Natalsikan ako ng mantika guys. Igigisa muna natin siya kunti. So ang finished product nito guys, o final na luto nito, i-upload ko din sa short video ko kasi requested ko ng asawa ko ngayon guys na magluluto ng chicken thighs with kulukasi. So i-stir lang natin yan hanggang ma-brownish yung kulay kunti, kasi pakuluan pa man natin yan. So very simple guys. So ngayon we will put the sliced onion. So very simple guys ha, na food guys, pero masarap din ito. Pwede nyo nilagyan ng fresh tomato, thin slice of fresh tomato. Pwede rin tomato paste o tomato sauce. So ang ginagamit ko is tomato sauce. So ilagay na din natin yung 1 chicken cube. Basta magluto ako guys, may chicken cube yan palagi. Tapos lagyan natin ng kunting black pepper powder. Maglagay tayo ng kunting black pepper powder guys. Kunti lang naman na black pepper powder. Aman guys, mag-action na naman ako nito. Dahil sa black pepper powder. Excuse me. Excuse me, because of the black pepper powder guys. Pasensya na kayo guys ha. Ihalo natin yan. Naging ano na siya oh. Tapos guys, ilagay na natin yung kulukasi. Isabay-sabay na natin guys. Isabay-sabay. Hindi ko masyadong pinalitan yung hiwa. So yan lang guys, simple guys, hanggang maluto yung manok at saka mas soft ang kulukasi. So very simple guys ha, very simple food. One of the Cypriot food. Kulukasi or gabi sa Pilipinas. So ngayon, ilagay na natin yung tomato paste natin. Yan. Tapos, ilagay natin yung pinakuluan nating tubig. Yan lang guys. Very simple. Hanggang you will cook this one for about 45 minutes. Pero again guys, you have to check ha. 45 minutes, but again, you have to check guys. So yan. Tingnan mo. Yan lang guys. Pakuluan lang yan. Very, very simple food. So, anuhin muna natin guys. Ihalo natin kasi yung sa ilalim niya, the bottom, the casserole guys, yung mikit na yung slice na onion at saka yung black pepper powder at saka yung 1 chicken cube. So, yan lang guys. You have to cook this one for 45 minutes to 1 hour. But again, you have to check guys. Tapos, if the 1 chicken cube it's not enough, you will just put some, you will add some salt on it. So, I will just let it to be boiled guys and cook this one for about 45 minutes. So, in a medium fire. So, yan lang guys. So, the finished product, I will upload on my short video. Bye!